And we want to make sure when we're listening to that beginning sound that we are pronouncing it correctly. So for B at the beginning of big, we don't want to say ba, because that is actually adding the short U onto the B. And that makes it so much harder later on when they're learning to blend and spell words. So just trust me on that. I taught kindergarten, and every year I had a few that came in that had learned sounds incorrectly, and it was super hard to fix. So we want to make sure we get that done correctly the first time.